Hello, good morning. This is Manjari from BVIT, belongs to CSC department. Now, I would like to give some basic information about JavaScript. As the programming language comes into mind, what is JavaScript? Question arises in our mind. Now, let us see. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a lightweight object-oriented programming language, and it is a translated language. It is not a compiled language. It is used for both client-side and server-side scripting. And there are many languages, scripting languages other than JavaScript. One of them is HTML. Then the difference between HTML and JavaScript are seen below. Differences between HTML and JavaScript. JavaScript simply adds dynamic content to web page. It makes the page look good, but HTML does not shows interest in interactivity with the pages, and we can manipulate the a JavaScript content. JavaScript content can be imbibed in HTML, but HTML content cannot be imbibed in JavaScript language. These are the basic differences. And JavaScript extension is .js, HTML extension is HTML or HTML. JavaScript syntax. Every programming languages has own syntax. JavaScript syntax is shown below. Here the JavaScript code is imbibed in script tags of HTML, and the script tags contains two main attributes. One is language and another one is text. Language is the language we are using, that is JavaScript, and text is text or JavaScript. It tells the browser that the type of code used in JavaScript code, type of message we are giving in the JavaScript code. And the first JavaScript code is shown here. This is the first code. Here I give the text hello world in the script tags. Now let's show the output. This is the output. JavaScript formatting. Here white spaces and line breaks are ignored by the translator. So you can use freely white spaces and white space and line breaks. Semicolons are optional. This means both the script where1 and where2 equal to 10 and with the colons are same. And case sensitivity. This means the time with uppercase letters and the time with lowercase are completely different in JavaScript code. Comments in Java. Java comments supports both C style and C++ style comments. That means we can single line comments, we can use double slashes, and multiple line comments with slash, with star, we can use them. And as we see in the differences, JavaScript code can be imbibed in HTML too. So for this, the interactivity with HTML is basically defined in 4 ways. They are head-to-head section. We can include the JavaScript code in head-to-head section, and we can include the JavaScript code in body section too, and we can include the JavaScript code in head section, and we can use it in body section too. This will be more clear if you see an example. This is the head-to-head script. This is the head-to-head example, and I include the scripting code in only head section, script in only head section, and the body I use this script code. Now let's see the output. This is the head-to-head example. Is the alert box up? We can see it later. Body to head section. This is the example of body to head. Here I include the script in head section and used it in the body section, and body section also I include some text. This is the output. Body to body. This is the body to body mode, and here I write this JavaScript code in only body tag, in only the body tag. Let's see the output. This is the example of body to body, and we can also use in another HTML code too. JavaScript variables. Any programming language contains its own variables type, and there are some data types in the JavaScript too. There are numbers, strings, and booleans. You are familiar with numbers, and numbers support both integers and floating points, and strings can be imbibed with double quotes. Boolean values are true and false. Variables. Variables can be declared in JavaScript using where keyword, and scope of a variables means the variables contains both global scope and local scope. Local scope means the variable defined in a function is used for that function only. The variable can be used anywhere. That is the global scope variables. And JavaScript operators. The JavaScript operators are too familiar with the C operators, and they are arithmetic operators, as we all know about this: addition, multiplication, and comparison operators. Here, make a note that they are equal to, and triple equal to in JavaScript. Equal to means it check the is it equal to that or not. Exactly equals to means it checks the data type too. Logical operators are and or and not operators. Assignment operators, shorthand assignment operators are also supported in JavaScript. Conditional operators, based on the condition, the values are assigned to condition to the variable. Here is the syntax of that. And conditional statements and loopings are also allowed in JavaScript. If statement syntaxes are almost similar with the C syntax. We can clearly understand more about this in example. If else and if else if also supported, and switch statement, while loop. JavaScript functions. There are some, we can also define some functions in JavaScript other than built-in functions. Here is the syntax of JavaScript. Here, var1, var2, and so on, varx are the arguments to be passed to the function. And there are some pop-up boxes in JavaScript. There are alert box. It shows some text alert messages like that. Confirm box. It shows some confirmation messages like that. And prompt boxes. It will be more easy if you see an example. Now let's see an example for this all. This is the statement. This is the if statement example. Here, if the time is less than 10, we are saying the good morning. But if the time is not 10, then what about the message we are displaying is not possible with the if statement. Then for that, we are moving to if else statement. if else statement. If the time is if the time is less than 10, then the good morning message will display. Otherwise, the hello world message will be displayed. But if the time is greater than 10, then such case also may come. So for that, we are using else if statement. Else if statement. If time is greater than 10 and less than 60, we are saying good day, or else we are saying hello world. For these types, we are using if else and else if statement to check many conditions. Many conditions. Here it is the date class. It is the building class in JavaScript. Get hours is the method. It is used to get the hours of the current hours. Confirm boxes and prompt boxes are shown. Here is the alert box. Alert. This will be more understandable if you see an example. Here, when I click show alert box, here an alert message comes like that. This is how the alert box works. And prompt box. Here is the prompt box example. Prompt boxes. Here the default name is Harry Potter. If you enter another name, this is the message we display. Prompt box is used like that. And confirm box is used to confirm if you press this or not in some web pages. Here is the confirm box. Show confirm box. Press a button. You pressed a button, right? This is confirm message is given like that. You pressed OK. Thank you. There are some other limitations in JavaScript too. These are the limitations. JavaScript does not allow reading or writing of files from the server side, and JavaScript cannot be used for network applications too. And multi-threading and multi-processing concepts cannot be used in JavaScript. These are some of the limitations of JavaScript. And now let's see the real-time examples to convert the marks into the percentage. This is the code to convert marks into percentage. Now let's see the output. Here is the output. Here we want to enter username, maximum marks, and obtain marks 975. Submit. We will got the percentage, GPA, and grade. This is the real-time example we are using. Thank you.